Welcome back. In the previous video, we understood we need to perform a record count check as a part of the data completeness. Let us have hands-on for the record count check as a part of this video. First and foremost thing is, let us go ahead and create a couple of tables. I am creating a table called EMP underscore source, that is employee source, with 8 columns. And I have defined appropriate data types while creating this table. I'm loading the data. If I check whether the data is there or not, the data should be there. You can see there are 8 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns. Okay. Let us create a target table as well. I created the target table. All the columns are same as that of the source table except the full name. What is happening here is, if you observe properly, there are 7 columns as a part of this table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why is that? As a part of the transformation, they're concatenating the first name with the last name. And there is one more transformation. What they are doing is they are replacing the F with the female, M with the male in the gender column. Let us load the data and check how the target table looks like. I'll say select star. This is our target table. Let us try to compare the source table with the target table. This is our source table where we have first name and the last name. They are concatenated and one column is created in the target table. This is our source table where gender column has only the alphabets F and M. That has been replaced by female for F, male for M. So this is the transformed target table. If you look at as a part of the transformation, there is no filtering, which makes the number of records come down in the target table. So how do we validate the count now? What should be the ideal thing? The ideal thing would be the number of records in the source table should be same as that of the number of records in the target table. So how do we do it? I'll say select count star. Let me copy. What is the count? 17 records. Let me go ahead and update this with a target. What is the count? 17. Since there is no filtering involved as a part of the transformation, the count of the source table should match with the count of the target table. In order to give you a picture, let us create one more table with the wrong number of records and see what happens there. I'm creating a one more table called EMP underscore target 1. Let me load the data into this table. I loaded the data into this. So purposefully, what we have done in this table is we have loaded less number of records. Maybe sometimes developers should do the mistake, right? So in this case, if I go ahead and check the employee source table, the number of records is 17. If I go ahead and check the employee target one, the number of records are 15, which is wrong. You have to log a defect for this. It is very simple, but you need to do this as a part of your ETL testing validation. Though it is simple, yet it is powerful. Thank you.